Can you make your own Bartesian pods? It's one of the most common questions I get from new owners, so let's clear it up. The short answer is no, and once you know why, it matters a lot less than you'd think. Every Bartesian capsule is made by Bartesian itself. The company holds the patent on its pods, so no other company is allowed to make them. That's different from the coffee world. Keurig and Nespresso only opened up to off-brand pods after their patents expired. Bartesian launched in 2019, its patents are still active, and there's never been a licensed pod partner program. So when you search for Bartesian-compatible pods online, you won't find off-brand cocktails. You'll only find genuine capsules being resold or trays and racks for the pods you already own. So how does the machine know which drink to make? It reads a barcode printed on the top of every capsule. The second you drop a pod in and close the lid, it scans that code, identifies the cocktail, and knows exactly which spirit to pull from the spirit bottle, how much water to draw from the water reservoir, and the ratio to mix. That barcode is the whole reason a homemade capsule won't work. No valid barcode, nothing to read, and the machine won't run. There's a hack floating around. Owners peel the foil off a used pod, refill it, and reseal it. Physically, it works, but the barcode never changes. Refill a spent whiskey sour capsule with something else, and the machine still reads it as a whiskey sour. It pulls whiskey and uses that same ratio no matter what's inside. So you can reuse a pod. You just can't invent a new flavor the machine will read. Here's the part I love though. You already have more control than most pod owners ever get. A Bartesian capsule has no alcohol in it. You pour your own spirit into the spirit bottle, so you control the brand, the quality, and how much goes in. You pick the strength on every drink, from mocktail up through light, regular, and strong. Want to go further? Swap the spirit a pod calls for and change the whole character of the drink. You can bring flavored spirits in too, but do it the safe way. Never pour a flavored spirit into the spirit bottle. It can clog the lines. Instead, make the drink on the mocktail setting into a shaker with ice, then add the flavored spirit separately and shake. Once you've settled on the pods and spirits you love, the fun part is planning a night around them. That's where our free menu maker comes in. Head to thecocktailace.com. The full guide on making your own pods is right there too. Thecocktailace.com. No login, no paywall.